Alẹ́ ò bá yé èmi ètò àbúrò wọn olólùfẹ́ wọn number one crush wọn Mama Ondo of Africa Adéyọríjù Rachel ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́. Tappity woman peeps, how you doing? It's your baby girl Mama Ondo of Africa, and I'm saying we're back. Today we are back on an episode of the name of streets in Ondo town that start with OK, Odo, and Idi. We've discussed about the one of OK. We'll talk about the one of Idi. Now we are back to the one of Odo. These streets are not the only names that we have in Ondo town, the name of street, but most times it is very, very common. Very common. That's why I just want to use those three ones. We have other street names. We have a lot of them, but this one is very, very rampant. So today I'm going to talk about the last one, the street name that starts with Odo. The street name that starts with Odo. Today, the number one street name I'm going to talk about is Ondo Shida. Odo Shida. There's a market there that they used to even call Oja Odo Shida. They'll ask you, are you going to the market of Odo Shida? So we have Odo Shida as the number one name here, street name that we have. And another one that starts with Odo is Odo 2. Odo 2. Madigbo. Keep it when it the electronics in Ondo. When you want to get gadgets, you want to get electronics, Odo 2 is a very popular place for you to get all those stuffs. We need electronics gadget, nothing when you say we define, you will say Odo 2 is a very popular place in Ondo town. Another street name that we have here that starts with Odo is Odo Jomo. Where Odo Jomo? Odo Jomo. Odo Jomo is a very popular place. Very popular place in Ondo that starts with Odo. Odo Jomo. Odo Jomo. I'm by you. I'm by you. Odo Jomo is a very popular place in Ondo town. Another street name that starts with Odo is Odo Alafia. Odo Alafia. Odo Alafia. Odo Alafia is a very popular place too. Very popular place. It's a very good place too. All these places I've been mentioning, they are very good places. So they are very nice places. So another street name that I have here is Odo Ogbaitun. Odo Ogbaitun. Odo Ogbaitun. Is another name, another street name that we have in Ondo. Another name that I have here is we have Odo Ayo. Odo Ayo. I'm Odo Ayo. But Odo Ayo is another street. The thing is just that you see all these names I've been mentioning, the street name I've been mentioning, they are not limited to that. There are very many. But I just want to bring the little one I can gather and the little ones that are very popular. We have Odo Dibo. Odo Dibo 2 is very popular. Very popular. We have Odo Petu. That one too is very popular. Very popular place. And if your street name starts with Odo and I didn't mention your street name, please kindly drop a comment at the comment section so that I can make a video for your streets. Just for you. Now you specially made for your streets. I'll make a video for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed this episode where the carry can't give on. Are you enjoying it? I've done the one of OK, ED, and this is the last episode on Odo. If you want me to talk about your street and your street's name is not in the aforementioned videos and everything, can you please drop the name of your street at the comment section? I promise you, I'm gonna do something about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.